How to replace a human touch Quies rear shroud. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, loosen or remove the 3 screws that secure the shroud to the chair. Remove the shroud from the chair and, if necessary, remove the loose screws from the shroud. Note the 2 tabs on the front of the new shroud and the corresponding slots on the chair. Install the tabs into the slots, then lower the shroud into position. Replace the 3 screws to secure the shroud to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.